Hey guys, again, it's me, Void, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enhance the quality of your videos, edits, or thumbnails using VideoProc Converter AI. And let me tell you one more thing. It's one of the best software I've ever used for improving my edits and thumbnails quality. And guess what? It doesn't just stop at enhancing features. There's so much more you can do with it. Also, VideoProc is doing a giveaway, so be sure to check the description for more details. Anyway, let's start the video without wasting your time. Once you open VideoProc, you'll see a range of features including super resolution, frame interpolation, image AI, audio AI, video converter, DVD, downloader, recorder, and stabilization. Let's start by checking out super resolution. Click on super resolution, then add the video you want to enhance. Once the video is in the project, you'll see various AI models. You can choose any model that suits your video. In this case, I'm using an anime clip, so I'll select the anime model. After selecting the model, VideoProc will process the video for a few seconds. Then you can choose from various model settings such as scale, resolution, or enhance video. I'll scale it 4x. Now, take a look at the improved quality. Look, the noise is gone and the quality has improved a lot. You can also experiment with other model settings if you're not satisfied with the scaled version. However, I find the scaled version to be more appealing, so I'll stick with that. Click Apply to All. Choose the output folder and export it. Now, let's compare the difference again. Next, let's try another footage. Just follow the same steps as before and add the video to the project. Apply the settings you prefer. Look at the difference. The quality improvement is like comparing Sung Jin Woo from Season 1 to Sung Jin Woo from Season 2. Now, just render the video. And here's the difference between before and after. Now let's try the image AI features for enhancing the thumbnail or any other images. Once you open the image AI, just follow the same steps as the video enhancement feature. Look, it already looks great with just 2x. Let's try 4x. Wow, just look at the quality. Alright, that's it. If you want to see and use all the other features, then check the description for more details. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos and tutorials. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.